guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and these are the assets I will be checking out one after the other. And of course, everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight to what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. This actually started an uptrend right from this support zone, okay, right from here. And just the way we are seeing it, this has been up and up and up, okay. And of course, like I said, it is on full uptrend. And of course, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it's still going to, it means it's still going to buy more, okay. So this is very, very important. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999, and of course, just the way we are seeing it, this actually came on downtrend right from here till it got to this support, and right from here it started an uptrend and bought till it got to this region. So right now it is having a pullback, okay. So if it should break out below this region, then definitely it's going to sell more, okay. But if it does not, then it will go back into an uptrend and continue with the trend, okay. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone, okay, below the highlighted support zone. So now let's move on to Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200, and this is going to sell just where we have seen it. Started selling from here, had the pullback, and of course selling right now. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out Paynex 999 so that we will see if we can grab something from there. Of course, guys, this is Paynex 999. This also started a downtrend right from here. It switched into a downtrend and it has been selling since then. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is FX volume 80. This has been finding difficult to break out below this support zone. Let me bring this down below this support zone, okay. So you can see went up, came back down to the support zone, went back up, and of course came back down again, and it has not been able to break out below the support zone. So this is trying to go fully into an uptrend, but we needed to break out above the resistance zone first before we can say it will go fully into an uptrend, okay. So this is very, very important, okay. So this is more going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity, most especially right now that it is still buying. So it is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.